Hello and welcome to this video about SystemVerilog interview questions on procedural statements and control flow part 2. What is a loop statement in SystemVerilog? What are the different types of loop statements in SystemVerilog? Can you explain the syntax of a while loop? Can you explain the syntax of a do-while loop? Can you explain the syntax of a foreach loop? Can you explain the syntax of a for loop? Can you explain the syntax of a repeat loop? Can you explain the syntax of a forever loop? When would you use each type of loop statement? For more detailed explanations and code examples, please refer to the files pinned in the comments section. That's it for today's video on SystemVerilog procedural statements and control flow interview questions.